Yeah, last year I ended the season not really how I wanted. I ended with an injury with my wrist. So I'm really excited to be back racing. I feel really good. My wrist doesn't have any pains or anything, and I mean, I'm really hoping this whole year I can continue to stay healthy and try to be up there with those guys. It's a long year, and I know that, especially with Daytona, I need to come out of here safe. So I'm just, like I said, so happy to be back racing and can't wait to be out there.
What's up, guys? Out here at Daytona. Bummed I'm not racing this year. I was a podium finisher here last year. Track looks super fun. The guys seem to like it a lot. And, you know, good luck to all the racers.
I guess I could start with this off-season was definitely a little bit different for me. Normally, for the last 6 or 7 years, I've been able to get down south. I have a lot going on in my personal life. Nothing bad, just a lot of things right now. I stayed back because I have my own track right now. I'm in the process of building my house, so without me being there, you can't really accomplish anything. So I was able to ride. I would really just say the only negative was the cold weather. It was very different. I'm a little baby, if you want to call it, when it comes to cold. I hate the cold, and I had to get used to riding in a few different layers of clothing, which was actually really tough, and it's what I had to work with. You know, it was my choice to stay home at the end of the day. It was a busy off season. I stayed productive. It was busy in the gym, so I'm gonna come out here and do what I can.
We got a new look, a new quad, and soon to be a new baby for me. You know, we're really happy with the Yamaha so far. The Phoenix team has just been, you know, amazing with getting me the parts and the testing and everything we need to really nail down a solid setup for this machine. I'm ready to put that Yamaha in the box and just keep clicking off laps, consistent laps like I have been. The bike's working awesome. Jay Goebel with Impact Solutions and Elka Suspension just dialed me in, and you know we've been working hard all winter. Das has got an awesome motor package for me, and we just got to get off the line and you know hopefully put down 18 consistent laps in first.
dude, it's an awesome feeling. A podium's a podium. I know something happened to Joel, unfortunately. But like I said in the off season, I was kind of disappointed if it would happen this way. But at the same time, dude, it's exciting. It's something new, and it's kind of unbelievable. But I knew working hard, and I figured I could eventually be up here, just a matter of time. And we'll go home, put our head down, train a little bit. Gonna have to find a little bit of speed. You know, they're pushing me, and I'll see you guys at Three Palms.
Yeah, this was a really solid day. The qualifying spoke for itself. You know, each thing got better with the fourth in the first qualifier, third, won the heat, back up here in second. I know something happened to Joel, but it's part of racing. I think I would have got the podium anyway. Just super happy that I'm up here. It's just a huge weight off my shoulders, something really nice to start the season out like this, so I'm pumped.
I just completed our 5th win here at Daytona. Awesome day, man. My Wiener Motorsports Yamaha was ripping really good today. I pulled that hole shot, and you know that's kind of what I've been really needing to get myself going today. And Joel and I had a great battle. He made a pretty wild move, and he got around me, and I tried to keep tail with him, and he was riding awesome. And I'm pretty sure he tagged somebody in the air over there, and Joel went down. Hopefully he's all right, and you know, thoughts to them. He's got a baby on the way. Hopefully he's all good, and we'll see him in Texas. But man, today, just my team, everybody behind me, and this is, man, I never would have thought we would have got 5 here, but man, it just feels so good. The whole team behind me, friends and family coming down, and the track got pretty good today, so I was excited about that. And we got some work to do to get ready for Texas, but we got about a month to get there, so I'm going to enjoy this one and you know, sleep pretty good tonight. Thank you.